This is the fractions practice test, and here we're working on problem number 1, and the problem states write the fraction in simplest form, 57 over 81. And what we have to do here is eliminate any common factors in the 57 and the 81. Now 57 can be broken down into the factors of 3 times 19. You could find that out by taking 57 dividing by 3 and you would have 19. And then the 81 also can be broken down into the factors of 3 times 27. So then the 3 on top and the 3 on the bottom would cancel. Anytime we have the same factor on the top and the bottom, they would cancel. And we're left with 19 over 27, which is in the simplest form because we can't break it down any further into any and find any common factors in the top number, the 19, and the bottom number, the 27. 19 over 27 is your final answer.